March 28, 2023, Tyler, Texas. What begins as a routine traffic stop over defective taillights quickly escalates. The driver refuses to provide identification, arguing with deputies as tensions rise. But then a second man, later identified as Phillips, steps in, yelling at officers and interfering with the stop. Within moments, the situation spirals out of control, leading deputies to chase him into a nearby home where the confrontation takes an even more dramatic turn, involving his own mother.
Hello? Sir?
Yeah.
You got a driver's license? I'm Deputy Peters with the Smith County Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today, your tail lights were not working as you were driving on the road, okay? And then you immediately pull into a residence.
I literally have a claim that taillights are not a crime. I'm not involved in the traffic code. I have a notice here. I literally have a lawsuit going on with Nassau PD.
Okay.
And signed by the judge. This is his dad's house. The
He's
county.
also not driving. Driving's a commercial.
And I'm not driving. This is the county commissioner's house, county clerk. We just pulled in. Which taillight is out?
It was both of them.
Which one?
Both of your tail lights. None of them were working as you were driving on the roadway. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
I'm not driving. I'm outside of your jurisdiction, actually. Who do you work with?
The Smith County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, the Sheriff's County?
Yes, sir. Do you have any form of an ID or driver's license?
I do, but I don't have to present it since I haven't.
You do at this point in time because you have committed a traffic offense. You were driving a vehicle. I'm not here to argue with you. Do you have a driver's license?
I've got a dictionary real quick because he doesn't seem to know the definition.
I'm not involved in the traffic code. Yeah.
So the definition of driving versus the definition of traveling, there's a dictionary.
Okay, let's use this term. You were operating a vehicle on a public roadway. On a public roadway. I'm not, sir. Right now he is being stopped. Okay, you have no involvement.
Okay. Well, actually, I'm actually just being a concerned citizen because I know that
that's fine.
People.
Okay.
So I'm actually just watching.
If you want to be a concerned citizen, add your car, please.
I'm showing you the law. Okay. This is actually case law. This is case law showing you the difference between automobile and a
that's not that right now. That's not where we're covering.
You actually don't need to know.
You have a driver's license. I can get you out of here.
What emergency do you have? Because if there's not actually a crime or a victim, then you actually can't even use your red and blue lights.
You're actually trespassing on private property too.
Okay.
We need to see a supervisor.
You were operating on a public roadway.
Stop using that terminology. You're lying. Stop it.
You have a driver's license.
Get your supervisor here for lying right now. You're actually
not at this point in time. If you can provide me with your driver's license.
I'm not.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, not driving.
I don't answer questions.
Not driving. Don't answer questions. Get your supervisor here for lying on the record.
68.
What's your name and badge number? You're literally lying right now. On the record.
Right now, you are being placed. You are detained. You are being detained. Right now, you're being detained.
Okay, if I give you my license,
stop.
Bro, that's crazy. You really? Bro, what are you doing? Wow.
Right now, you're being detained.
Bro, illegally detained. Bro. Illegally detained. Dude, you're going to be losing your job. You're getting sued. You're getting sued, dude. What have I done? You're losing your job.
Right now.
No crime has been. Can you please help me?
Right now, I am detaining you, failing to ID.
Here. Can you look it up?
He's literally not committing.
I can, but you're refusing to offer it to me.
He's arresting me for failure to ID.
Right now, you're not being arrested.
He's saying he's taking me as Karen.
Right now, you're not being arrested. Sir, step back.
What is your name?
Step
Shut
back.
the fuck up. What's your
You're about
name?
to get detained too. Step back.
No, you're not even taking me in for failure to ID. You're kidnapping somebody. Please.
Right now, like I said, you are not under arrest. You are being detained, okay?
That's the same thing. I don't consent to any search and seizure.
His taillight was out. His taillight was out. So now he's
allegedly.
His taillight's out.
Please, I do not.
Look at that, Mom.
I'm sorry. Can I ask what's going on?
Right now, he's being detained because he failed to ID. What I'm trying to do is get his ID because he was driving a vehicle on a public roadway. Sir, this is not about you, okay? This is with him.
You keep saying the wrong
Where's your driver's license?
Under duress.
Okay.
You can under duress. Can I get it for you?
Where is it at?
Under duress.
Where's your driver's license?
You're shaking and it's making me
nervous.
nervous.
Where's your driver's license at?
You're shaking, making me nervous. Under duress, it's in my pocket.
In your pocket.
But I'm not giving you jurisdiction because I'm not operating under the commercial code.
That's we're beyond that right now, okay?
All right, under duress, if I'm in handcuffs, can you please get it?
Yes, where is it at?
And you're shaking, it's making me nervous.
Where's your driver's license?
It's in
Can
my
I
pocket.
ask why he's in handcuffs?
Because right now, when I stepped out of the vehicle, he refused to ID. Okay, what I'm trying to do is identify him. Once I get his identification, so I pulled him over, ma'am.
Wait, I want to ask this.
Okay.
Do you have a way to check his ID through a license tag?
No, I don't. No, ma'am.
You don't have a computer in your car?
You don't have a
I do have a computer in my car, but it does not link with the
license plate number?
license plate. Okay, we're gonna step back over here so I can get your ID.
Dude, let him drag you. You're not non-compliant. Wow.
Like I've said, look, they're causing issues beyond the point of what needs to happen. Okay, you're not. I said you are detained right now. Can I see your ID?
For what crime?
Can I see your ID?
If I'm detained, then I'm under.
You said it's in your pocket?
Because he's in fear for his life. What a joke, Peter. Dude, you're fired. You are fired, bro. Losing your job.
Sir.
What a joke.
Sir, you can step back by your car.
Don't even talk to me. Don't say sir to me.
Lean up against this
You're not
car.
in fear for your life. You're on my property.
I'm not taking the keys. I'll put them back in your pocket, okay?
Are you really gonna arrest me? Are you serious?
I've said this multiple times. You're not under arrest. I detained you because you failed to ID,
you don't
okay?
You don't get the dictionary.
Where's your license? Because I'm not trying to go all through your wallet.
I don't consent to a search.
I'm not searching. Where is your ID?
Me as a man, and I'll give it to you.
Once we're complete with the traffic stop.
It's not a traffic stop, man.
It is a traffic
You're really
stop.
gonna get in trouble. Can you talk to your supervisor? It's a traffic stop if I'm a U.S. citizen.
Okay.
I'm not a U.S. citizen.
Do you have some form of an ID?
I have no weapons.
You said it was in your wallet, correct?
No weapons on me. I'm just making sure you don't kill anybody tonight.
You're scaring me.
You've already-
I wish
you're
you would
already
just talk to me
illegally
like a man and I
detaining
could explain
somebody
things.
for no
What have I done that was disrespectful to you?
No
You grabbed
crime
me. You're
committed.
shaking. My hands are in handcuffs. I haven't committed a
What
crime.
crime do you suspect is being committed right now? Do you know the definition of a crime?
Is it in your wallet? Your ID?
You're searching his wallet?
You know that is unlawful search and seizure. I don't.
Cody, would you like me to
Okay.
get it out of your wallet for you? I can't believe you wouldn't give him permission to search your stuff, would you?
No.
Do you want me to get it out for you?
Under duress, if he's saying that he's not gonna let me go unless, then you can present it to him. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, you.
Can you tell me where your ID is? A minute ago you said I could take it out of your pocket.
I don't answer
Under
questions.
duress because you're handcuffing me.
Okay. Yes, because you are detained at this point in time.
My ID is in my wallet.
Okay.
My ID is in my
Where is it at in your wallet? I'm not trying to go through every single card you have. This is it, I'm assuming.
That's fine. You can use that.
Okay. This is driver of this car causing the issues.
Hey,
I'm not a driver. I'm not driving.
hey, no, you don't tell me what to do.
You interjected yourself into the
Hey, no, get off my property.
Get over here now.
Hey, are you the excuse me, sir? Are you the supervisor?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Get away from me.
You're interjecting yourself into this traffic stop.
Get off
over
my
here.
property, you piece of shit.
Get over here now.
No, you get over here then. He wants to say get over here like I'm a
Okay,
dog.
I will get over here.
Yeah, exactly.
What is going on?
Yeah, exactly. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me.
68 channel.
Stop! Help! 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 Give me your hands! Give me your hands now! Help! Help! It's my glasses!
I got to
Help! Help! I have it around my back!
Stop.
Help!
Get back! Step back!
Get back! Help! 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 Mama, help! Take my phone!
What to do?
Take my phone, Mama.
We got 1 minute to change.
Arresting you for some stupid.
I've done nothing. He's hurting my wrist. He's breaking my wrist. Get off of me. I can't even breathe.
Get back!
Let him go.
Where's my glasses? Give me
I got
my
him.
Oh my God.
Give me my glasses. I can't. Stop breaking my arm.
Hey, yo, get back. Step back.
Give me my glasses. I cannot see.
Yo,
Stop.
His glasses are right there.
those are his glasses, okay.
Glasses.
You step out with me.
Hey, you know what y'all doing?
What the hell is going on?
Help! Help!
Please let us go.
Help! Help! Help!
Hey, don't hurt him. He has not committed a
Ma'am,
crime.
step
Let
back.
him go. You're hurting his shoulder. You're hurting his shoulder. You put him in a Kimura.
Crap! What is
I have your glasses. I have your glasses.
Get in my glasses. What's wrong? I've done nothing. Please record this. They're kidnapping me. I've done nothing.
I don't know what's going on.
Can we all talk like adults, please?
Here, you coming with me?
Please talk.
Hey, Rug, I'm putting him in my car. Come on.
Why do
Come
I
with
have
me.
to go in the car?
Because right now you are
You have
causing
my
more
ID?
of an issue. Yes.
What did I do, man? You have my ID, dude.
Can you run my ID at least, or what? What are you doing, dude? Why do I have to go in the car if I just stand here, man? Are you serious, man?
All right, step in the car.
Why are you doing this? What was your name and badge number?
Step in the car.
Why are you doing this to me, man?
Step in the car.
Okay, can I at least...
Move your foot.
Bad back, he's heading
I'm
on.
keeping you from turning towards me.
To talk to you, stupid. How stupid
Who's
are you?
this?
Stay
Who is
back.
this?
Help! I'm getting
Back.
kidnapped. I
Sorry,
have
just
done
stay right
nothing
there.
wrong.
Stay right there.
House. They ran in our house.
I've done nothing wrong. No crime at all. Nothing wrong.
Let's get him in the car.
No!
Yes.
I'm not going with you. I've done nothing.
Stand up.
What are you doing?
Stand up.
I've done nothing. I've done nothing. I've done. You're hurting me. My arms are getting
We're
broken.
10-4. Still got one resistance.
Get me your supervisor now. I want a supervisor. Give me a supervisor. I need a supervisor. I'm being kidnapped. I've done nothing. I've done nothing.
Come on.
You're such a piece of shit. I've done nothing wrong.
Get in the car.
Help! Ah, my arm! Oh.
68, you can open check.
Deputy Peters conducted a traffic stop on this vehicle. I don't.
No.
On that vehicle. I don't know if that's your son. Who it is?
Ma'am,
Son came out and is interfering with.
ma'am,
No.
would you like to accompany me so I can get my flashlight out of your house?
I don't know if that's your son.
I don't think this needed to go this far. Over what was the traffic stop for? Can you tell me what the traffic stop
Yes, ma'am.
was for?
So the other person who I was trying to conduct business with.
Cody.
So
What are you
Cody,
looking for?
my flashlight.
Is that it? I don't know. I don't know which
Yes,
one.
ma'am. That's it. Which one of these are his phone?
This is Cody's and Derek's.
Okay.
Okay.
You want me to give it to Cody? Okay. All right. Let's step back outside.
I'm not leaving the door open.
I'm not doing it. I'm not going
You
anywhere.
already
Please.
did do it. Put your foot in the
Please,
car.
hey, my cuffs.
Put
Please.
your-
They're breaking my wrist.
We'll check them in a
Please.
second when
Just
you
check
calm
it right
down.
now. I'm right
No.
here. I'm not doing anything wrong. Help! I can't breathe.
Are you okay, ma'am? Okay.
This is too much.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not being funny. Do you need a paramedic?
I don't know.
Okay.
So, what this guy do?
So, Cody, I pulled him over. It was a traffic stop. Let's step over here so I can speak with you.
Yeah.
Cody, driving the vehicle over here. The vehicle had no taillights. Simple stop. I was going to get out with him, explain to him, hey, you're already at your residence. It's going to be a simple warning. Who is this?
This is my son right
Your
here,
son?
right there.
Okay. What's his name?
Derek.
Derek. Derek stepped out, started interjecting into the traffic stop, yelling, preventing me from continuing my stop with Cody. Okay, at that point in time, my partner showed up. We attempted to detain Derek due to interfering with public services. That's when he ran into the house. We had to follow him into the house. And at that point in time, he was placed in custody.
Let the law figure it out. You know?
Yes,
I mean, he probably don't think he had any right to come in his house or whatever. So.
Well, he was out here interfering with the traffic stop, and when we went to try to detain him, he ran into the house. And at that point in time, we don't know if he's going to retrieve weapons. We don't know exactly what's going on. So, well, you know, me being on this stop, I don't know what's going on.
I know.
So, so Cody's in cuffs in the backseat of my car. He was just detained because he failed to ID. He's not going to be placed in the jail or anything like that, but he failed to ID. That's what started this whole fiasco.
Ow, 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 ow.
It's not tight, man.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
You can do.
I'm getting it. Give me just a second, okay? Ow. Okay. That one you're trying to rotate your arm.
I'm not even moving my arm. I'm just holding it still.
Okay, I'll loosen that one just a little bit, okay?
I need to.
68. Can you run the name, date of birth? I don't know what happened with this.
I think they're in his pocket or something.
Okay.
Okay.
Derek's got a few things on his person that he'd like to give you guys. He doesn't want to go to jail with him.
Yeah.
Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll pull him out real quick and grab that stuff, and we'll get to you, okay?
Now, with multiple charges and court cases underway, this incident raises serious questions about how quickly situations can escalate. What do you think? Who was in the wrong here? Share your thoughts and follow for more real-life breakdowns.